Hey everyone, I'm Feyz and today I want to explain stretch resolution. A stretch resolution is a custom resolution setting that goes beyond typical parameters, offering player various advantages in gaming. The name stretch comes from the way it alters the display, stretching the image to make targets appear wider and easier to hit. By using a stretch resolution, players can enhance their visibility and improve their aim, creating a competitive edge, especially in fast-paced gaming. This technique allows for a unique gaming experience, optimizing performance by adjusting how graphics are rendered. Let me first explain to you in detail what the advantage and disadvantage are when using this technique. Stretch screen helps you to display the game models larger for you and to perform better in aiming. Since you are using lower resolution, it can help you to improve your FPS. Unfortunately, in most games your field of view is reduced. Depending on your choice, the quality of the game will decrease by different amounts. Well, I have included some additional and very important points about this technique in the description for you. Be sure to read it. And now it's time to show you how to use it. There are different ways depending on your graphics card. I will explain for AMD graphics card. First of all, open your graphics card program. And now go to Setting. Go to Display tab and check GPU scaling is enabled and scaling mode should be on full panel. After that, open Custom Resolution, press Create New and enter your resolution. And press Create. And now you create your own resolution. Thanks for watching.